this is Sushmita, and you are watching That Versatile Girl. So, you must have read the title of this video. That is my, okayish and disappointment, disappointed products. The products which have disappointed me. I wasn't, the best followers of those products or all that. I just wanted to try those products, and I felt like, they are not working for me. So guys, basically there's one product. I will be talking about three products, and one of them is like I bought it 3 days back. So I'm not gonna give my review that is really bad or like that, but it is like okayish product and it has multi-use, so that's why it is like a good to go product. That all I will also show. That is Earth Rhythm Aqua Under Eye Balm. I will be talking about, and I have two more products. That is, this one. This is Alps Goodness Wild Turmeric Powder. The next one is Alps Goodness Aloe Vera Hydrating Serum. Okay, so the first I will be starting with this Alps Goodness. So guys, actually, I used one of some other brand turmeric powder, that is wild turmeric powder, wild curcuma. And you guys, as per my experience, it was like, this won't stain your face like other, the edible haldi used to have. But guys, this one like actually staining my face, which is actually like wild turmeric powder को नहीं करना चाहिए, like they shouldn't. But this one is doing, so it's quite a disappointment because I invested in this. And guys, like if you're investing for some purpose, that purpose need to be fulfilled, right? So this did fulfill my purpose of buying this. I thought that I will be directly using it on my face without adding any multani mitti or any chickpea flour. Without that I wanted to use, but I couldn't because it actually stained my face. Yeah, so let's talk about the second product. That is aloe vera hydrating serum from Alps Goodness. I hope you can see. If not, I'll definitely pick the post the picture here or here somewhere on the screen, so you can see like what product I'm talking about. And it claims that it provides hydration to the skin, antioxidant in nature, helps reduce dark spots. And guys, I'll definitely give the some price over here, so that for each product, because I just forgot where I have kept my package, so that I can tell you the price over here, I mean right now, but I couldn't, sorry for that. So you can definitely check my description or in the screen. So as we know, like aloe vera is really a miracle product for our skin, right? So I would say, just to for experimental stuff, I bought this because I was out of my serum for the go like hona chahiye, so that's why I bought this one. And this is and my skin is like oily to combination skin. So let me show you the consistency. It has a runny consistency, as you can see. But guys, I feel like I am using a oil, like lightweight greasy oil. But I am like I really don't like using oil on my face, to be very honest. But like I haven't tried yet, because I feel like oil मेरे face को और oily बना देता है. So that's why it's like very difficult on my part to use oil, include oil in my skin routine. But definitely I'm looking forward to Juicy Chemistry's hemp seed oil, because I really want this because of my acne and dark spots I have. So I have read that that hemp mustard oil is really good for that too. Of Juicy Chemistry is really amazing product. So I have ordered. No, I was about to order that, but it was out of stock. It is out of stock. Yes, so I couldn't. So the moment it will be in stock, I will be the first one to purchase it. So yeah, and I will be trying that product and review as well. So if you want that product to be reviewed, please comment in the comment section below. And guys, let's talk about the last product, that is Earth Rhythm Aqua Under Eye Balm, cooling and hydrating. The net weight is 30 gram. Okay, so I will also mention the price over here and the picture of this somewhere this way. So guys, this says that our luminous eye balm delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling and filling the fine lines around the eyes. You will feel awake and look energized, so you can glow and get it. The packaging is a lovely eco-friendly paper-based push-up tubes. This nourishing balm ideal for both men and women. Guys, this is what the balm looks like. Okay, and this comes like here. You need to push it up. Oops, sorry. So this will come up. Okay, and you need to press it down like this. After all you're done, if you're done with your application. So this is what the extra product come out. So let me show you. You need to, it's a very thick balm, not balm, waxy kind of consistency, so that it can definitely cover your fine lines and all. But I don't feel that it hydrates my eyes, under eyes and cooling effect. No, that's the reason I bought this, because I mean seriously, I work like at least 12 hours, not 12 hours but 8 hours for sure in computer, and I said 12 because I always use cell phones. Okay, like for my Instagram, for my Facebook, and I'm really hating it like anything, guys. God. So exactly for that reason I wanted something cooling and hydration providing under eye cream, balm, gel, whatever it is. But this didn't fulfill that wish of mine, but it definitely hides my fine lines, because in under this makeup as well I have used this balm. So this is definitely a good product, but the purpose behind I purchases that this didn't fulfill. So that's why this is a okayish product for me. Okay, so otherwise guys, this is really amazing to hide your fine lines. Really, after applying this, you can use your foundation or a BB cream, yeah, and you're good to go. Like, it's amazing. And if it actually keep your skin glowy effect. But though I have applied some matte foundation, because I'm an oily skin type, so yeah, I started sweating as well, so that's why I couldn't. Okay, so yeah, it's a pretty good product, I would say. Like, yes, but the rest two products I talked about was like, I'm not at all satisfied with this. So I'm just applying on my hands and like using like this. Sometimes I I have a Maybelline gel eyeliner, and as you know, like every single gel eyeliner dries up. So I just use one drop of it, and the amount I want to use, I mix it up and I apply it and give a very smooth application. So this video you can relate, like if you don't like some product, how can you work it with some other things and all. So yeah, this is the way I use it. So guys, actually I forgot to tell you about this thing, like what exactly it claims. So let me read out it, like what exactly they have to claim to be. Like this claims that it cleanses the scalp, thereby getting rid of oil, stimulate blood circulation throughout the scalp. It's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, treat dandruff, 100% organic and natural, created for all hair types, and highly recommend for oily hair, and this also can be used for the skin as well, because it has on the website it has claimed that it is also for the skin. But now this is what I actually wanted to say, that as it say like we can use for the hair as well, but there is nothing mentioned that you can use for the hair. So this is really pathetic thing for this powder or the product I am talking about. And so this is an absolute disappointment for me, like pathetic stuff, and I'm really not liking it at all. I'm not at all liking it, guys. So yeah, so these 3 products, but it is like okayish product, and these 2 products are like no. So I have I thought like let it be, I can use it as a hair mask as it said. So let's see. But guys, you can definitely purchase it if you have fine line problems, and you will be like good to go. But if you have something cooling effect you want and hydration, so hydration you might feel because maybe some of your different skin type, but for me it wasn't hydrating, but the cooling is like really no. Earth Rhythm product, I'm for disappointed with this, seriously. So yeah. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you so much for showing so much of love and support to my videos. And still I will be saying I need really a bit more. And so thank you so much for watching. अगर आप अभी तक भी देख रहे हो, so please don't forget to hit the like button, because this will mean a real world to me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.